2016 SRX. The Cadillac SRX is beautiful from every angle. For driving enthusiasts, there's track-tuned handling, advanced engine power, and the added confidence of available all-wheel drive. Luxury lovers will delight in the new stylish handcrafted cabin. And for technology lovers, the list of high-tech features is just too long to list. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, backup camera, traction control, steering wheel audio controls, keyless entry, navigation system, remote engine start, lane departure warning, power passenger seat, anti-lock braking system. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.